Welcome to the presentation DB2 Clients and Drivers. DB2 Clients and Drivers provide the necessary functionality to connect and work with a DB2 server. Drivers are included with the DB2 clients or available separately. Depending on the programming interface, you may need to install just the DB2 driver or an entire DB2 client. For example, a JDBC Type 4 application only requires a JDBC driver to be installed to connect to a DB2 server. You don't need to install the whole client. All DB2 servers include DB2 client components. Therefore, once you install a server, it can connect to local databases, which means databases created on the same server, and also to remote databases, which means databases created on other servers. DB2 clients and drivers are all free and available for download from the DB2 Express website. On this chart, at the top left corner, you can see 3 clients listed. The client with the name starting with IBM Data Server can work not only with DB2, but also with other IBM data servers such as Informix. The IBM Data Server client is the most complete. It includes graphical tools and all required drivers for different programming languages. The IBM Data Server Runtime Client is a lightweight client with basic functionality and includes the drivers. The DB2 Runtime Client merge modules for Windows is mainly used to embed a DB2 Runtime Client as part of a Windows application installation. At the bottom left corner of the chart, you have 3 drivers listed. The IBM Data Server Driver for JDBC and SQLJ allows Java applications to connect to a DB2 server without having to install a client. The IBM Data Server Driver for ODBC and CLI may allow ODBC and CLI applications to connect to a DB2 server, again without having to install a client. And finally, the IBM Data Server Driver package includes a Windows-specific driver with support for .NET environments in addition to ODBC, CLI, and open source. On the right side of the chart, we have the DB2 servers, which were discussed on a previous video. The focus of this video series is on DB2 for Linux, Unix, and Windows. Therefore, the main connections from these clients are towards DB2 for Linux, Unix, and Windows. However, if you want to connect to DB2 servers on the mainframe, meaning DB2 for ZOS, and on mid-range servers, meaning DB2 for i5 OS, you need to purchase a software called